Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno 5 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to do that. Firstly, you can block the number you've got currently saved on your device, on your contact list, or you can do it entering a totally new number, and obviously I will show you both options. So let's enter the dialer firstly and enter the contact list and find the contact you would like to block. Let's tap on it and choose this 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see here, we've got blocked numbers, so just tap on it. And in my case, I don't want to report it as a spam. All you have to do is tap on block, and as you can see right now it is blocked. You can obviously unblock it the same way just by tapping here, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So let's get back and let me show you another way to block a number, and here it doesn't matter if it will be on your contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on this 3 dots icon, enter the settings, and here we've got blocked numbers, so let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got our blacklist, and this is the number we just blocked using our contact list. What's more, here we've got the option unknown, so after activating that by just by tapping on this switcher, your device will block calls from all unidentified callers. What's more, after tapping on add a phone number, here we can add manually the number we want to block. Just tap on block if you're ready, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the blacklist. Of course, you can unblock those numbers just by tapping on this X button right next to it and tapping on unblock. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your OPPO Reno 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.